Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your sound settings on your Nintendo Wii console. So first you'll need to go to the settings. To do it, press this button, which is located in your left down corner of your screen, like this. Then go to Wii settings. And just press on the sound now. And from here you can enable surround, stereo or mono. I'm gonna stick with surround. And if you're ready, your sound setting is ready, just press confirm and it will be changed. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.